No, I didn't. No, I didn't. Well, I tried to tell him. Hi, Shifty. Holy cow.
Wait a minute.
Oh my gosh, Hypes, you're right. We do gotta get started. It's battle, guys, for a prize, too.
Stupid.
A wonderful greeny guy.
8 teams. Members.
Well, isn't that swell? Oh no, I've made too many M's. Oh, what a mess. You have to get rid of them. The last team to get rid of the M will be up for egg termination. Papaya is safe. I got you. I got you. Cool explosion. Best destruction so far. Happy Meatbill is safe. What a whiny critter. Don't you people, one of these losers? Then if so, for the one you want to save from being exterminated in the next episode, to the Google form in the description. The contestant with the least amount of votes will leave Animatic Battle.
Don't vote in the contest.
Die.